In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new time off code in QuickBooks Time. Now to do this, first you want to go to QuickBooks Time, you want to go to the left here and where it says Feature Add-ons, you want to click on that and then you want to click on Time Off Codes. Now in here, it's going to allow you to basically add a new one, so you want to click on over here, Add New, and then of course you have to give it a name first, so I'm just going to, for example, name this one Weekend right now, and of course you can mark it as paid or unpaid, it's up to you, and then you can assign this to individuals or groups, so you could go ahead over here and basically click on either any of these groups to basically add all the people in there, or of course you could do just some of them by clicking the check marks next to those people. Okay, so those are kind of the two ways you have. I'm just going to put this for all of them, and then I'm going to click on this OK button, and then from here, if you want to track accruals as well, you can do this as well or not. I'm just going to skip this and click on save, and that's all you have to do to add a new time off code in QuickBooks Time. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.